Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily make a green screen video on CapCut. So first, the things that you need to prepare a green screen background like this. I actually got this from Pinterest, but you can always find it on Google or any other uh, platform that you can use. And then in here, just add the video that you want to make a green screen in the overlay. So go to overlay, then select the video. Okay, I'm going to add this videos right here. Click on add, and then after that I'm going to make the green screen background duration or length the same as the overlay. Okay, like this. And then after that, click on the overlay, and then we need to remove its background, but first fit the size like this and go to cutout, and then click on remove background. Just wait until the background is fully removed. Okay, so now the background of the overlay has been removed. Just click on the check icon, and here is the preview of the green screen video that I just created. Okay, so that's pretty easy, right? So that's how you can create a green screen video on CapCut. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye!